Hello artists, my name is Sajid Rahim. I'm a 2D 3D artist and animator. Today we are going to cover the fifth part of our realistic hair creation series, and in this tutorial I'm gonna create some realistic long hair for this female character. So for this reason I'm gonna just select the character and I have to send it to the Zbrush. Please make sure your template is create template. If you already have opened your character into Zbrush, you can use this one, relink one, but I'm gonna send it with the create template. Okay, just we are in the Zbrush now, and we have to adjust some basic main settings for our brush size. This is very important. Just go to preference, draw, and move this slider to 100%, and this should be around 50. We also need our document size to be bigger. We can make it from this button. Just hold down the click and move it so we can scale it. Just hold down the Alt key and tap to your character sculpted area so we can select it and we can zoom it. We also need to enable the symmetry. For this we have to press the X key. We also have to subdivide our sculpted mesh by hitting Ctrl D, and we have to mask it for hair generation. So hold down the Control key and click in the empty area, so this selected mesh will be completely masked, and after masking we have to unmask the edges. So for this, hold down the Control and Alt key and just paint the area where we don't want to grow our hairs. Okay, we have masked the area where we want to grow our hairs, and now what we have to do is just enable the RealTime hair plugin. Just move it to the side, and we also have to go to the fiber mesh section. Just preview it and enable the modifier and generate it from here as well. And now this time we are going to use another preset. For this we have to go to this click on this button. So we have very nice, so many presets here. We can use any of them, but in this tutorial I'm gonna use this one. And now what we have to do is to we want our hair to be wider, so we have to increase the coverage slider. Maybe we should turn off the texture so we can see our hair mesh easily. We can also increase or decrease the length of our hairs. We can play with the gravity as well. Here we have a gravity slider. And we can also go to the width profile. We can reset it. We can play with the settings and see how it looks. also play with the width profile. We can also increase the density of the hairs. We can also use these different settings for our hair. You can use these settings with this plugin. We can also go to the brush sections and we can select any brush type, and we can do it later after accepting, but we have these different sculpted option. We can use these options. Maybe length is very much, so 350 should be okay. And we have a very dense mesh, so I'm gonna decrease the density of the fibers. Okay, I am happy with the results, so I'm gonna just accept it with this plugin. Just hit apply and accept it, and now we can sculpt or we can also move our hairs to any position by using this one. We can also increase or decrease the strength or intensity of the brush. We can use this strand option to move all the strands individually without any deformation. Okay, we can see how our mesh looks after the rendering. This is not the final rendering, but we can get idea. Maybe we can export it and see how it looks. We have to just export it with this button, go Z. But before exporting, you can try some textures, maybe this kink one, and just re-render it and see how it looks. Okay, we can send it to the character creator and see how it looks. Okay, we have our kink hairs and we have to apply some texture for this. I already have these kink textures in my library, so this is why I'm quickly picking these texture from the folder. Okay, we have very nice looking hair. We can also apply this realistic hair shader and see how it looks. You can see our mesh is looking very nice and very realistic. We can also change some shader settings from here. You can see we have very nice brown hairs and we can give a name. And after giving a name, we can convert these hairs to accessory. After converting to the accessory, we can convert these hairs as a hair. From this button, create hair bra beard button, and choose any template. I'm going to use this one, and close it. Now you can see icon for these hairs, so it means we have applied, or we have marked our hair as a hair type. And we can save it. Just click it and go to your custom hair section and save it as a hairstyle, give a name and hit OK. So here you can see my hairs are saved, and I already have created so many hairs, and I'm saving with some unique name so I can remember what hair type is what. So this is how we can also organize the project. So guys, if you like the video, please give a like for the video and my effort, and please stay tuned with me because I bring more content, free contents, realistic models, and some unique ideas, tips and tricks, some problem solving solutions, and so many things. So guys, you can get benefit from it, and I can also get benefit from you because you guys are attached with my channel, and it's really great for me. It's very motivation. It's actually motivation for me, and I'm really happy with you guys. So I hope you guys you like the tutorial. I will see you on the any other new art, and until that, have a good journey.